people, it's me, Anjy, and today's video is a GCSE study with me. I'm only taking one of my GCSEs this year, so this is year 10, so it's early, and it is Spanish. So I hope you guys enjoy watching me do a bunch of El Español. I managed to leave my Spanish workbook in school because I just took a mock reading, so that was a great decision, and I'm gonna have to do all of my Spanish in this filler paper, so yeah, that will be interesting. I am working my way through the entire Spanish syllabus curriculum, and I am skipping out all of the listening exams for now, but then I'm gonna go back and do them all at once. So yeah. Oh. Okay. So because I don't want you guys to just watch me studying for 4 minutes, well, it was a bit longer than that, I sped it up, I thought I would give you some of my top tips for GCSE languages. Number 1, if you are desperate, just change the language of your phone. Only listen to music and watch videos in that language. I would definitely recommend you check out Fluencia. I'll leave a link down below. And do every practice paper that you can. This is not me condoning cramming, but if worse comes to worse, if you have your exam technique down, you'll be able to fill in the blanks. Another great tip is to, well, not cram, but just learn some of the basics. For example, for conjugation, you are probably not going to need to know vosotros. You don't need to remember every single subject. So I, you, and we are probably the 3 most vital subjects that you need to know. You need to go on a basis of prioritizing with tenses as well. Some tenses are compound tenses, so you don't actually need to learn them. I hope these tips have been very useful for you guys. Comment below if you are studying any languages. I'm personally studying Spanish, French, and Mandarin Chinese in school, and I'm studying Korean for fun, and also because I kind of want to go there to study some form of engineering. We'll see. I'm not 100% sure what I want to do in the future. I'm just trying to enjoy learning and learn things that I am passionate and interested about. As always, this video is finally coming to a close, but before I say my normal goodbyes, make sure you guys go and follow me on Instagram. That is official_studious, and I would love to talk to you guys and communicate with you. Feel free to pop into my DMs. All of my contact details are always in the description box, so if you ever have any questions that you might not want to ask through the comments, or if you have any suggestions for me, please let me know. Anyway, make sure you guys smile. Make sure that you subscribe in the corner of the screen or down below. Make sure that you slay. Always slay. That is a key, vital ingredient to fabulousness. And I will see you wonderful, amazing, fabulous, magnificent people again very soon. Sorry that I've been so extra in this voiceover. Bye!